Have you ever wanted to become really fluid with your painting, even if you've never painted before? Do you have that dream to immerse yourself in colour and really enjoy going to your canvas to get a beautiful result? Well, actually you can, even if you've never painted before. Hi there, I'm Jacqueline Coates and I'm bringing my Blooms painting workshop that I've been teaching for over 20 years. I'm bringing it back to Melbourne, to Glen Iris, and you can join me if you like. And it starts on September 29 and we work in the evening. And we have a meet and greet, and then we work each day, and we've got 4.5 days to follow, finishing on October 4. That's it. I've actually thrown in an extra half day, which is why I was hesitating. Usually it's 4.5 days. On this visit, it's 5 whole days in Melbourne, so you get a bonus half day. So don't miss out. Make sure you come and join me. Let's get your painting bugs beds sorted. You'll finish with 2 stunning large canvases. You'll learn how to handle acrylic paint, what happens when you pick up the paintbrush, why the mistakes happen and how to avoid them. Don't make the mistakes that other newbies make. No need to. Painting is easy when you're shown how, and knowledge is power. So I'll see you at my workshop. You'll need to let me know soon because we're ordering our art supplies. I've got just a few places left. See you in Melbourne.